CapCut is packed with powerful features that can make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Here are 10 powerful tools and effects you should try. Isolate one color. Drag your video to the timeline and lower the saturation of all other colors except red. Select the red color, increase its saturation, and decrease a bit of brightness. All-out text animation. Drag your video to the timeline and set its duration. Add text and stretch it to the end of the video, then customize its color, font, and size. Turn off uniform scale and go to the motion track and turn off its scale and start. That will take some time to complete. Preview the video and you are done. Circular countdown. Add your desired video to the timeline and resize it. Then add text and typo and increase its scale. Go to the animation and choose out animation and select clock white. Then create a compound clip of the text and apply mirror to it. Text behind person. Add a video and resize it, then duplicate it. Add a text and stretch it to the end of the video, then type your desired text and customize it. Make a sandwich of this text between two videos. Select the duplicated video and remove its background by the auto removal feature. Now select the text and apply typewriter animation and set its duration to 1 second. Afterwards, add a typing sound effect. It will give your video a dynamic look. Change sky. Add 2 different videos of the sky and resize them. Then go to the mask section and apply a split mask. Add some feathers for a smooth look. Blur face. Add video and duplicate it. Go to the Effects tab and search for the blur effect. Apply the blue effect onto the duplicated video layer. Then go to the mask section. After applying a circular mask, add some feathers. Now it's time to apply keyframes. Move the playhead a few frames forward and apply the keyframe. Repeat the process for the whole video by adjusting the position of the mask. And you are done. Cinematic black bars. Use your video and go to the Effects tab and search for the Cinema effect. Download it for the first time, then apply it to the desired part of your video. Split screen. Add different videos to the timeline and set them as the overlay after resizing their durations. You can decrease their opacity for better adjustment for split screen. Select one video and apply a split mask and adjust it on screen. Similarly, apply split masks for other videos and adjust them. Floating effect. The floating effect is easy to apply. Simply go to the Effects tab and search for the Play pendulum effect. Drag this effect on the icon and customize its features. Video in text. Get a black background from the library and make a freeze frame of it. Now add video and text. Sandwich this text between videos. Write your text and customize it. Now select the overlay video and go to the blend option and choose darken mode. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more awesome content. Drop a comment below on what you want to see next. I read them all. Thanks for watching.